ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hello students, welcome to Samveda E-Classes, 5th Standard English, 2nd Language. In today's class, we are going to learn the next part of the lesson, True Friendship. After this session, you will be able to know the new words and the meanings from this lesson. And at the same time, you will be able to know the moral value and the theme of the lesson, the true friendship. And you will be able to express yourself, that is self-introduction. I hope you are eagerly waiting to learn something good from this session. Shall we start? Yes. Before that, I will ask some questions about the previous session or the previous part of the lesson, the true friendship, and please try to answer them. Who was the ruler of Syracuse? Can anybody? I hope you will answer. Who was the ruler of Syracuse? The answer is the King Dionysius was the ruler of Syracuse. Yes, the answer is the King Dionysius was the ruler of Syracuse. And move to the next question. Where did Damon and Pythias live? Where did Damon and Pythias live? The answer is Damon and Pythias lived in the city of Syracuse. Who were Damon and Pythias? Yes, Damon and Pythias were best friends. Where they live? They live in the city of Syracuse. Very good, students. Yes, in this lesson we have some new words. Let's discuss about that. For example, first one, certain. The meaning of certain is sure. What do you mean by certain? Or what do you mean by sure? For example, I will give a sentence. I am sure that I will become a doctor. And I am sure that I will succeed in my life. What is your sentences? I know the meaning of certain is sure, and please make some sentences on this word. And the next word is loyalty. Loyalty means staying firm in friendship or staying firm in something. For example, staying firm or staying strong in friendship. Okay, Damon is so loyal to his friend Pythias. He was so loyal to his friend Pythias. Staying strong in friendship is called as loyalty. And the next one is execution. What do you mean by execution? Execution is nothing but putting to death. For example, a robber was executed because of his crime. A robber was executed because of his crime. That means he put into death here. Execution means putting to death. Okay. Now we will start the lesson. The next part of the lesson, open the page number 12 and open your book, and I will read the lesson now. Please listen carefully. Here the screen is King Dionysius is sitting here, and here Damon is in front of King Dionysius. King Dionysius, where is your friend now, Damon? He has left you here to die. I am certain that he will not return. You are a fool to be here in his place. Demon, you are mistaken. I know that Pythias will keep his promise. He will in time. Even he does not come back, I will be happy to die in his place as I love him dearly. Pythias, I have come. Please do not kill Damon. I have come back to take the punishment. Please hang me. Damon, no, please hang me. If he were to be late, then I would have been hanged. So I am to be punished. King Dionysus, never in my life have I seen such friendship. Both of you have kept your promises. I am happy to know that such friendship exists. I set you both free. This. Okay, now we will move through the lesson here. King Dionysus, where is your friend now, Damon? Yes, here King Dionysus asks to Damon or makes fun of Damon here. Where is your friend? He has left you here to die. That means he pushed you towards the death here. I am sure that King Dionysus is very sure that he will not return. That means he had a mindset that when the Pythias granted permission and he went to meet his old mother, he will not return. You are a fool to be here in his place. Also says that King Dionysus also says to Damon that you are a fool here. That means you are a great fool to believe a friend like Pythias here. Damon, for that Damon replies that you are mistaken. I know that Pythias will keep his promise. Damon confidently says that you are mistaken. I know that Pythias will keep his promise. He is my friend and I have a great faith in my friend and he will keep his promise. He will in time. He will be in time. He will come and he will return in time. So we have to wait. Even if he doesn't come back, I will happy to die in his place as I love him dearly. These are the sentences of a beautiful friendship said by Damon. Damon says that he is so happy to die because of his friend Pythias, because he loves him lot and he has a confidence that he will return back. Pythias came there and says, I have come, please do not kill Damon. He came very hurriedly and says that don't kill Damon, I have come back to take the punishment. Yes, Damon has a confidence on Pythias will return. Like that Pythias came and said that don't kill Damon here and I am here to take punishment. Please hang me. He is requesting the guards or the king here. So please hang me. And the Damon at the same time says that no, please hang me. These friends are arguing here that Damon also says hang me and Pythias also says hang me here. If he were be late, then I would have been hanged. Damon is saving his friend that Pythias is late and I have to be hanged. So I am to be punished. Damon also says I want a punishment, not giving punishment to Pythias here. King Dionysus was so astonished and also so surprised and says that never in my life I have seen such a beautiful friendship. Even we too haven't seen like this type of friendship. Okay, both of you have kept your promises. Yes, both of them, the Damon and the Pythias, have kept the promises here, because Pythias returned back from his city and reached Syracuse in time, and Damon has a great belief or faith on Pythias here that he will return to Syracuse. I am happy to know that such friendship exists. The King Dionysus was so surprised. The cruel ruler or evil-minded ruler also changed his mind, and he was so happy to see this type of friendship, and he set both of them free here. That means none of them were hanged or punished. He set them, both of them, free here. This is nothing but the moral of the story is we shouldn't break any of the promises. We have to keep promises and we have to maintain it, and we should be truthful all the time. This is the paragraphs which we can see in the lesson here, and I will explain the lesson now. First, the king Dionysus made fun of Damon, but because Pythias will not return, the Damon was very sure that he will return. The king says, "Where is your friend? You are a fool, and you are pushed into death because of Pythias, and you are a fool." And these are the sentences said by the king. But Damon was certainly sure that his friend Pythias will return. So he has a confidence on Pythias here. For that, Damon says that he will return, and he was utterly sure about that. And because his best friend will return and keep his promise. And Damon also says that if Pythias was not able to return in time, he will be used to hanged, and he was happy to be hanged instead of Pythias. At the last moment, at the last situation, Pythias came running. Yes, all the conversation between Damon and King Dionysus was going on. At that time, Pythias came running and gasping for breath like this, and he hugged Damon and cried, because at the time, at the last situation, he hurriedly come because he had faced a lot of dangers and he had faced a lot of obstacles, problems while he was returning, and he came and hugged his best friend Damon. Pythias also thought that if he was not in time, the Damon will be hanged. So it was impossible. It shouldn't be possible because he has to reach in time. And at the same time, he asked the guards to give the punishment. The Damon was ready to take the punishment of Pythias, but Pythias told that give his punishment. Seeing this beautiful friendship of Damon and Pythias, the Dionysus, the king of Syracuse, was so impressed and said that I was so impressed, I was so astonished to see your loyalty, and he was so impressed and happy to see the best friendship of Damon and Pythias, and set both of them were free. I think you loved this story and enjoyed this story. Yes, in the next, you will, and how do you introduce yourself? For example, I introduce myself like I am Suma. I love masala dosa. I am from Yadgir. I like reading. My hobbies are dancing, playing, singing, etc. Introducing yourself is called self-introduction. This is a part of activity here. And what is your name? Yes, some questions are related to the self-introduction here, and we will move through that. Okay, first question, what is your name? If anyone asks about what is your name, yes, hello, my name is Kavya. You have to say like this. And next one, how are you? If someone asks like question like this, how are you? Yes, I am fine. Move to the next question. How old are you? For example, I am 25-year-old. If someone asks you, how old are you? Yes, I am 10-year-old. That means you are introducing yourself. And where are you from? I am from Yadgir. Yes, my place is Yadgir and I am from Yadgir. Which school do you go to? Which school do you go to? Yes, I go to Government Higher Primary School. And the next question is, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is red. And what is your favorite color? Yes, my favorite color is sky blue. And the next question is, what is your favorite food? I think you like dosa, idli, puri, chapati, roti, etc. And which is your favorite food? Yes, my favorite food is masala dosa. That means these are the sentences or these are the question and answers talking about me or saying about myself. That means self-introduction. And the next question is, what is your favorite fruit? You can say your favorite fruit is mango, watermelon, banana, apple, etc. Like here, what is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is an orange. Yes, in today's class, we had gone through with some important paragraph. Like that, I will ask some questions on those paragraphs or those incidents. So, please try to answer them. What did the king think Pythias would return? Can anyone answer, students? What did the king think Pythias would return? The king thought that Pythias would escape and wouldn't return. When the king Dionysus gave permission to Pythias to complete his responsibilities, he thought that the king Dionysus thought that Pythias would escape and wouldn't return to Syracuse here. I think you understood this question. Next question, why did the king set both of them free? Why did the king set both of them free? Yes, the king Dionysus got happy by saying such a good friendship, so he set them free. Yes, now I will give you an activity about this session. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. You have to note it down in your notebook and please try to solve them. First one, Demon was sure that his friend would never. What is the answer, students? I hope you answer for this. I am waiting. Damon was sure that his friend would never break his words. Very good. Damon was sure that his friend would never break his words because Damon has a lot of faith in his best friend Pythias. So that Damon was sure that his friend would never break his words. And next sentence, Pythias and Damon kept their dash. Pythias and Damon kept their dash. What is the answer, students? What is the answer? Yes, Pythias and Damon kept their promises. Yes, in the first session we had discussed about the tiger and the cow. The cow promised tiger to return to the forest to satisfy tiger's hunger. That the cow promised and kept his word. Like in this lesson, Pythias and Damon kept their promises. What is the promise? Yes, Pythias told that he will return to home and complete his responsibilities to fulfill his last wish, and he back to Syracuse. That was his promise. What was the Damon's promise? Damon said that if Pythias will not return, he will face his punishment. This was the promises which are kept by Pythias and Damon here. So, look at the nouns below, put them into the correct groups. In the previous session, we had the nouns or the naming words. For example, king, Dionysus, Pythias, and like Damon, etc. Like we have them we made them categories like person, things, then person, things, ideas, animals, etc. Like that, in today's session also, I am giving you an activity. You have to differentiate the given nouns here. Shall we start? Yes. Okay. First one, banana, computer, jug, parrot, teacher, ball, chair, hospital, school, people, boy, elephant, man, pencil, temple, places, girl, mouse, playground, women, horse, panda, zoo. These are the words. And I will read once again. You have to repeat after me. And you will come to know which category we have to differentiate them. For example, banana. Please note it down in your notebook. Banana, computer, jug, parrot, teacher, ball, chair, hospital, school, people, boy, elephant, man, pencil, temple, places, girl, mouse, playground, women, horse, panda, zoo. Okay. In the next screen, yes, here is the answer. Please note it down in your notebook. For example, we made categories like person, place, thing, animal or bird. Okay. I will read it once and you have to listen carefully and note it down in your notebook. Teacher. For person category, we differentiated like teacher, people, man, women, boy, girl. Teacher, people, man, women, boy, girl. In a place category, we had given hospital, school, zoo, playground, temple. In a place category, we had given hospital, school, zoo, playground, temple. Okay. In the think category, we had given banana, chair, pencil, computer, jug and ball. Banana, chair, pencil, computer, jug and ball. Animal. In the animal category, we had given animal or a bird category, we had given parrot, panda, horse, elephant, mouse. Parrot, panda, horse, elephant, mouse. Okay, this is the time. I think you have understood the naming words and also self introduction. This is the time to give you homework here. I will give you homework now and please try to complete it. Okay. First question, what did both the friends argue over? What did both the friends argue over? Please write it in your notebook, students. I will repeat once again. What did both the friends argue over? And the next question is, I am giving you an home assignment. Yes, in the blanks you have to write your name, father name. I will explain now. Yes, you have to introduce yourself. Okay, I will give you these lines or this assignment. You have to complete it in your notebook. For example, my name is dash. You have to return your name here and you have to say your name. And my father's name is, what's your father name? What is your father's name? Okay. Next question. My place of birth is. My place of birth is. My place of birth is Yadgir. What is yours? I think you will return in your notebooks. Next one. My school name is. My school name is. What's your school name? Yes, my school name is GHPS Yergold. What is your school name is? What is yours? Okay. Look at the screen here. You will get something good idea about self introduction here. For example, here a girl talking here. She is saying, hello, my name is Kate. What she is saying? Hello, my name is Kate. And she is telling that I am 6. What she is telling? She is telling that I am 6. And then, what's your name? She also asking, what's your name? And next question she asks, how old are you? She explains or she introduces herself as, her name is Kate. She is 6 years old. Again she is questioning that, what is your name and how old are you? I think you got the idea here and you have to fill this blank. Okay, I think you are noticing here. Yes, students? Yes, very good. Yes, dash my name. For example, you have to fill up like this. You have to write your names. For example, hello, my name is Suma. Okay, my name is Suma. I am 7. I am 7. That means she asks, I am 6. That means she says, I am 6 and I am 7-year-old. And what is your dash? What is your dash? What is your name? Okay, then how dash are you? How old are you? You have to fill up like this. Okay, hello, my name is Suma or something, your name. You have to return your name and you have to ask other friends to what is your name and how old are you. This is an activity which I have given an example for you. You have to write it in your notebook with the help of your friends or with the help of your parents or elders here. And the next one, hello, my dash. Here is a picture. Already I have given an example for you. You have to complete this with the help of this picture. For example, hello, my dash is dash. I am dash. What's dash name and dash old are dash. This is the activity which I am giving you for a homework here. You have to complete it in your homework or in your notebook. Okay. Thank you, Aitha sir. Okay, thank you. I think you have enjoyed this lesson. So, you have to be truthful always and keep your words and promises. This presentation was prepared by Sandhya Kulkarni and presented by me, Suma H, GHPS, Year Gold. And in this pandemic time, wear masks, maintain social distances and then use sanitizers. Please stay safe in your homes, read well and stay happy. Thank you.